Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Jamiel. This is Jamiel Cal-Pin of Cal-Pin Creations. And so I just recently got some equipment from Sweetwater. And so I just wanted to share with you guys while I'm doing an unboxing. It is an Arturia MIDI keyboard. And so I haven't gotten a MIDI keyboard in a very long time. The last one I had was an M-Audio keyboard that comes with an M-Audio fast track. And so I got that probably in like 2007. So I haven't got any real, good toys for myself in a really long time. So I'm excited about this. And hopefully it will help me to get back into trying to produce music and stuff like that. And I will be sharing that journey live on maybe weekends. I haven't figured that out yet. But I'll be sharing that journey live with you all. So hopefully you can join me in me trying to become a producer again. All right, so this is the box. We're gonna open it. I already cut it because I only got one hand. So my wife offered to help me, but I already cut it. It was too late. All right, so we got bubble wrap. Lots of bubble wrap, apparently. Oh, and some stuff. Got a thank you from Sweetwater. All right. And some more stuff from Sweetwater. Sweetwater is a great place to get equipment, so be sure to check out. They're not sponsoring this video or anything, but ooh, they got some nice stuff in here. Actually, anyways, so this is what we came for: an Arturia Mini Lab Universal MIDI controller.
I want it.
You already have one, but no. So yeah, this is it. All right, let me get this out the box. Oh, what is that? They gave me candy. Look at this. They say, what is it? Our sweet way of saying thank you. Sweetwater. Look at this. I've never got, this is amazing. They must have just started doing this. I appreciate the Sweetwater. All right, so moving on to the next thing. The Arturia Mini Lab. It's weighty, and I think that's one of the reasons I liked it, or one of the reasons why I wanted to get this. Some MIDI keyboards can be kind of like flimsy and plasticky and stuff like that, but I want something that feels solid, that I know is going to last me a long time, because it'll probably be a long time before I get another keyboard or some more equipment. But let's look at it. Let's look at it. So that was let's look at the back. Cool things, compact and feature rich. All right, let me open it and stop doing ASMR for you guys. Ooh. So I got the inverted kind. So typically it's white, and then, regular white keys and your black keys, but mine's is inverted. It's black and white. Ooh, this is nice. I like this. And it's so compact. What I had before, the M-Audio keyboard that I had before, was long. Like it had, I don't know, 66 keys on it or something like that. And it took up a lot of space. But this is nice. This is compact, and it has, all right, hold on, I'm trying to get out of the plastic. Oh, look at this. It's like this wood side paneling. Fancy. All right, hold on. Get out of the plastic. I'm trying to be careful. Oh. Not really good at these unboxings, apparently. Oh yeah, this thing is solid. I don't know if this is like aluminum or whatever, but it's solid. It's definitely got some weight to it. All right, so we got the USB goes straight to your, let's just turn it around. Got your USB that goes into your computer, so it's bus powered. You got your sustain pedal. I think I still have one of those. And then what do we got? We got our keys here. Again, the inverted style. So black main keys and then white keys. Oh, it's so nice. Then you got your 8 pads for drum pads and things like that. And then we got all these knobs up here. Let's see. Is it 16 knobs? So you can use this for effects and even in mixing, I'm sure. You can use these to do automation and stuff like that. And over here, looks like we got our transpose and a modulation. That seems like it's touch-based instead of like an actual wheel. And shift key and octave key. And then, oh, nice. So you can change the pads in your program from 1, so you can get a total of 16. Yes, this thing looks, I can't wait to play with this. I'm excited. Again, it looks and it feels amazing. Like, this thing's definitely got some, like, it can take a beating, but also like it can last a very long time. But yes, this is the Arturia Mini Lab. Again, this is their inverted style, black and white inverted style. But yes, and I think these also light up. So I'm gonna go plug it up actually and see what it's like. All right, so I got the Arturia Mini Lab MKII. I forgot to mention that it's MK2. But yeah, I got it, so I'm about to plug it in, and then we're gonna open up FL Studio and try to mess around with it real quick. Ooh, colors. Fancy. Absolutely fancy. All right, so I got the Arturia Mini Lab MK2 plugged in, and this is the first time I'm actually using it. So, and I haven't done any music or made anything in quite some time. So I'm not gonna do much. I'm just gonna play around, push all the buttons, and make sure everything works. So let's see. Yeah, let's get into it. All right, so let's see. We got our keys down here. So there we go. Keys work. And these, I like these keys because they're like, it's almost like they're semi-weighted. Like, they're not, I know they're not really weighted, but they have a little bit more resistance than you know, certain MIDI keyboards. All right, so then we got our octave button up here. Drop it down. Ooh, drop it down. And bring it back up. And go the other way. All right, so there's that. Let's see. Again, I said the pads work. They're kind of low. But let's see. Let me try to do something different. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's see. And then, so then, yeah, there we go. So then there's a button on here that says pad 1 to 8 and then 9 to 16. So this would be 16, 15. There's no 15, 14, so on and so forth. Ooh. Oh yeah. So they're velocity sensitive. Trying to get a Maestro Elliott in a little bit. I gotta keep practicing. So that works. Let's see what else we got. Ooh. And the pads still work with that, yeah. Let's see. I don't know. Let's pick something else. Let's see. Let me try something else. Ooh. Yeah, that's right up my alley. Woo. Oh yeah, that's fun. All right, let's see. Now let's. All right, let's try the modulation wheel. Let's see if this, or the trackpad thing. Oh, it works. All right. Let's see what this other one does.
I don't know what this one does yet. I'll have to play around with that. So the modulation definitely works. I'm gonna be having so much fun with this. I'm excited. Yeah, I'm not sure what this does though. Yeah, I'm not sure what the other thing, but I will have to keep playing around with it. So FL Studio recognizes the Arturia and the knobs and stuff like that. I would just have to assign, let's see if I can assign something real quick. Okay, so of the 16, only the first two, 1 and 9, act like buttons. That's pretty cool. So like, let me try to assign this to something else then. Okay, yeah, it works better. Oh, I wonder why that is. So the second one worked a lot better. Oh yeah, that works. I don't know, what else can we try to assign? Link the controller. Whoop. And so all I did is just link the controller and I just moved the knob, and FL Studio did the rest. So now the distortion is linked. So let's keep playing. Oh wait, it's active now. It wasn't active before. Ooh. I wonder if I can. Oh, what? Yeah, I'm about to be having a blast. Okay, I'm sorry. So pretty much, there's a lot that you can do with this. Turn that on distortion. Turn the amplitude. Anyways, so I'm definitely going to be playing this and doing this on some lives in the near future. I'm excited that I got this, and I will catch you guys at a different time. Again, shout out to Sweetwater for providing me this. Again, I bought it, so it wasn't like they gave it to me, but I went through Sweetwater and they definitely hooked me up. And again, they got me some candy. This is when late nights when you're like working on music and stuff like that. So, but yeah, definitely check out, if you're looking for a MIDI keyboard, I would recommend the Arturia Mini Lab MKII. And yeah, I'll see you guys later on when I'm streaming and making some music, because I am super excited to do this. All right, yeah, see ya.